Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I heartily welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Quick Wits. I am Mokshi Gambhir and I am a student. Along with a student, I am a teacher too. And being an educator, I feel an immense proud in educating my students, not only with the basic education, but also grooming them in each and every way possible. So, my initial lectures will be based upon how to learn and speak English properly. So my first video is based on the 10 commonly mispronounced words in English language. So without any further ado, let's start with our first word. So have you ever repeated a word or a phrase so many times that it has lost its real meaning? So what do we call that particular situation? Yes, cliche is the name given to that situation. But people mispronounce this word as cliche or cliche. But cliche is the correct pronunciation to this word. So how can we put this word into a sentence? For example, girls like pink and boys like blue. I don't believe that people still adhere to this cliche. Moving on to our next word. What do we call a person who makes money by running or starting his own business? Entrepreneur or entrepreneur? Yes, the later one is the correct pronunciation to this word. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Once again, entrepreneur. So stepping on to our third word, foyer. Foyer or foyer? Yes, foyer is the correct pronunciation to this word. So what basically foyer is, it is an open area in a building or a hotel. So our next word. So most of the people know the meaning of this word, but then also they mispronounce this word as lip sync. It's not sing, it's sync. S-I-N-K. It's lip sync. But the correct spelling is S-Y-N-C. So here this word sync is derived from synchronization. And what basically synchronization or lip synchronization means, when we move our lips silently in synchronization or in accordance with the audio or the music which is running in the background. So how can we put this word into a sentence? Like nowadays, most of the pop stars, they lip sync in their concerts. So fifth word. So here comes the most commonly mispronounced words. That is rendezvous, rendezvous or rendezvous. Yes, rendezvous is the correct pronunciation to this word. Rendezvous. Once again, rendezvous. So what basically rendezvous means? It means when we have arranged a meeting with somebody. So its pronunciation is totally different from its spelling. So how can we put this word into a sentence? Like, my mother and I will create a rendezvous in order to discuss about my father's surprise birthday party. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to pen down these words, you can do it. And make sure that you repeat these words time and again after me so that you can have a continuous practice to it. So stepping on to our last 5 words. So have you ever heard of a disease which is caused by a virus that is carried by mosquitoes? We all know one of the diseases is dengue. Dengue or dengue. Most of the people mispronounce it as dengue because that's how we were taught in our schools. But it's not dengue, it's dengue. Dengue. Once again, dengue. So stepping on to our next word, turquoise or turquoise. Turquoise is the correct pronunciation to this word and not turquoise. But people mispronounce it as turquoise. Once again, this is turquoise. Turquoise. So what basically turquoise is, it is a greenish blue color. Next word. So most of us know about this word, but still mispronounce it as lingerie. It's not lingerie, it's lingerie. It's L-A-U-N, lingerie. It's lingerie. So what basically lingerie is, it is women's underclothing or undergarments. So our second last word, itinerary. itinerary, but people mispronounce it as itinerary. Even I used to mispronounce this word as itinerary. I used to skip this R and A, but the correct pronunciation to this word is itinerary. It's itinerary. So what basically an itinerary is, it is a planned route or a schedule that one follows during a trip or during an event. So here comes our last word, coupon or coupon. Yes, coupon is the correct pronunciation to this word. So what basically a coupon is, it is a voucher that entitles that the beholder is given a discount on any particular product. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you find my video interesting and informative, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.